excuse the camera just a moment whilst I check no one's around. No, it looks good. Let's do this thing. As you can see, there's all this fencing being put up now, so they have sectioned off a huge area of the concrete slab to create a safe zone so they can smash up. Look what they're doing here. They're smashing up all this concrete. They've took the top lip off of that, and they're putting it through their Smasherooni machine, and they wazz it up,